How does model-based definitions, semantic PMI, machine learning, and machining all fit together? Let's talk about that next. So how do those four fit together? Well, the idea is that a model-based definition includes not just geometric definitions, but product and manufacturing information. That's PMI. The idea or a value that you can get out of that, hopefully eventually, is that software can read that geometry and PMI, and for machining, automatically know how to machine it. So it could develop multiple toolpaths with different tools, feeds, and speeds to automatically make your part. It's very interesting, very promising. The problem, however, is that how you machine a part will vary from company to company. Each might have their own different best practices on how to approach the manufacture of that component. And this is where machine learning can come into play. So machine learning applied, basically watching different users in different companies, machining components, could essentially capture the best practices for machining, looking at geometry and looking at PMI. So this is where all four of those kind of converge as a new way to machine components. That's it. Take care. Talk soon.